Hey guys, I switched to using this new Victrola automatic turntable with some very interesting features, but super simple operation, which is what I'm into. This is a great first record player for someone or a great option for the enthusiasts as well. I do have a pretty surprising vinyl collection that I've been working on for the past few years with all these records from one of my favorite chill electronic artists, Hotel Pools. They just have some really nice, interesting designs when it comes to their vinyls. But back to the Victrola Automatic, as the name suggests, its biggest features are the fact that it has the ability to restart listening to your vinyl record over and over again automatically simply by hitting a button. If you're just in the mood to work, vibe out, and just chill, let the music play, this definitely is going to be the record player that you want to go with for $199. This is a pretty good deal for a feature that honestly should be standard on any new record player. It also has the ability to manually position your needle automatically, which is funny. Like you hit a button and the needle goes up, you reposition your needle, and then you hit the lower button, and then it comes back down automatically. So it's like manually automatic. That's kind of funny. I don't know. I just thought that was hilarious. But, anyways, the other nifty feature is that it also has automatic Bluetooth pairing so that if you would like to pair this record player to a Bluetooth speaker, all you do is you put your Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode, you press and hold the power button, and super quick and easy, it pairs automatically. It's quite nice. I really can't complain about anything because it all just works. And another nice part about this record player, it does support 12-inch and 7-inch vinyls. But even when using the adapter for the 7-inch vinyls, the playback speed was still a little bit higher than what I would like. Like it just doesn't sound regular. It's like sped up maybe 10-15%. So I don't know how to fix that, but I also didn't know how to fix that on my old record player. So I'm going to have to figure that out. But, anyways, that is pretty much it. There's a switch on the back to go for the line or the phono modes for your analog outputs. And then you just need a power cable, which is included in the box. Of course, you don't have to buy one. And that is pretty much just the Victrola automatic record player. Let me know what you guys think. Are you into records and vinyls yourself? Do you have a collection or do you want to start a collection? Are you going to have a collection of just regular black vinyls or white vinyls? Or like, are you going to have a pretty colorful collection similar to what I have if you're interested in starting a vinyl collection? I just thought it was cool that this artist particularly has a bunch of cool ones. One of the ones I want to get next though, I want to get one of those the Purple Future Dirty Sprite 2 records. It's like one of my favorite Future albums, but every time I see it's like $100, but I'm just gonna buy it. I mean, I gotta have it for the collection. It's like one of my favorite rap albums, so gotta have the vinyl. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of this. Do you guys think that $200 is a fair price for this automatic turntable? Drop me a comment below. I will see you guys in the next video.